Hello everybody, hope that you are good. First of all, I'm sorry for the audio. You probably hear me different because I'm traveling, so I don't have my headphones with me. But anyway, because I'm traveling, I'm gonna try to make the next videos, well, for the next 3 to 4 months, a bit shorter, maybe under 10 minutes. So that's gonna be kind of like the goal of the video. So this is my Bitcoin prediction for today. At the end of the video, you're gonna understand why. I'm gonna go through different time frames. So the first time frame I'm gonna go through is gonna be the daily time frame. Let me take this and put it here. So you can see that we are inside this range still. Okay, this was a previous range. You can see here. Okay, then we broke to the upside. We were on the range. We fell back into this range, and we're still here. Okay, so no much has changed. Let me change the color to yellow there. Okay, and you can see that we're right now above the range highs. Okay, this is the daily time frame. So this is very important because if we manage to close several candlesticks above the range highs, that's gonna give us an idea that we could favor higher prices. Okay, if you go into the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the chart is a bit overextended. Okay, price tends to go all the time to the 1 hour 50 MA. You can see what happens historically. Look at this move, for example. Okay, you can see here price goes up very quickly and then it comes back down to test the 1 hour 50 MA, tested a support, continue, tested a support, continue going up. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm expecting here. I need to see a test of the 1 hour 50 MA. Okay, that's what this projection is based on. Now, if you look at yesterday's move, that was quite an unfortunate move because it was based on fake news. So, well, you guys, most of you are in Twitter, so you know what happened. Cointelegraph is the biggest news outlet in the space. They released fake news of the Bitcoin ETF by mistake of an employee. So you can see how, Bitcoin reacted to that. It went to 30K. Look at this week. It's insane. Now, some of you might be wondering if this week can get filled, and my answer is yes. I mean, why not? It's a huge imbalance in the chart. So, if there was any gamblers taking shorts from here, and I say gamblers because it's a very risky play, because you could have taken a short, for example, here, you could have been stopped. Okay, you could have taken a stop here, you could have gotten stopped, you could have get another short here, you get stopped again. So if any took a short in this zone, okay, I'm not gonna say the word trader. If any gambler took a short from this zone here and is still holding it, then you're gonna have stops here. Okay, so that's what I mean. This is still a huge imbalance in the chart, and I think if you go to the Bitcoin dominance chart and you look at that week, okay, you're gonna see how it's pretty much filled. Okay, so I mean, you can see how it's pretty much filled, the 50% of it. So that's what I mean. Why not? Why can't the Bitcoin do the same, guys? But I still believe that it's more likely that we retest the 1 hour 50 MA first. So this is my prediction for today. Now, if we close the daily candlesticks below the range highs, then nothing has changed. Okay, because you are still going to be inside this range, and there is possibility that you continue ranging here. Okay, but if you start to see some candlesticks close in the daily time frame above the range highs, then we want to favor higher prices. You even have here a liquidity pool. Okay, this is a liquidity pool around 31,500, so that would be the next target for me. Okay, again, well, actually, look, even in the daily time frame, you can see a new wick here. Okay, it's around $400 wick, so why not? Okay, that could be another wick to get filled. But anyway, I would like to see Bitcoin closing above the range highs, so we could have that continuation. But I think that it's more likely that we come to the 1 hour 50 MA. Okay, I don't believe that, you know, we've been since Sunday going up. I know today's Tuesday, but look at the price difference. It's huge. It's like a $2,000 difference without counting the week that went to 30K. By the way, 30K exactly, round number, not a coincidence. Okay, so that's my prediction. This was the push, and I don't know if this could continue higher, even towards this zone, and then come again to the 1 hour 50 MA. So that's kind of what I'm looking for today in the New York session. It's still opening in 2 hours 5 minutes from right now what I'm recording, and to be honest, right now I'm just noticed that this could be an information here. Okay, there you go. Okay, another confluence to this idea that's a potential pattern developing there. Now I want to take you to high block capital because there are a few confluences there that I've seen that could support this idea. We're in high block capital, 12 hours time frame, liquidation heat map, and I haven't updated yet, okay, but this was the chart that I saw right before making that projection. And what I saw was basically that at 28,600 in the 12 hours time frame, there were quite a lot of liquidations, okay? So that was my idea. My idea was a push up towards 28,600 to hit all those liquidations, and then I'll drop. Now I'm gonna update this heat map, and you're probably gonna see this zone get taken out. Okay, let's have a look, guys. There you go, 28,600. They take that zone. Look at that, guys. I mean, it doesn't even go higher. It just goes high enough to take that zone, and then you can see price, you know, dropping $200. So that's what I mean. And now if you check here at 28,000, the liquidity there is increasing. You have there a yellow bar in the liquidation heat maps, and that is telling you that that's the next zone of interest. Okay, and I believe that the 1 hour 50 MA is inside this area, so this is a good confluence. You can already see the first part playing out, so hopefully now we can go towards this one. Okay, that is what I'm looking for today. Now let's continue looking out there. Heat maps, 7 days time frame. I mean, not really much except that liquidity at 26,400 is still there. Again, I believe that with this move, this has probably changed quite a lot. I'm not sure if Hybrid is counting these liquidations right in this zone, because you guys know that they don't reduce liquidations, they can only add them or keeping them the same, because they don't know when traders are closing their positions. So I'm not sure what happened yesterday after that week to 30K, to be honest. I don't know if they are updated. I don't know if I can choose this liquidation heat maps in higher time frame right now. In higher time frame, the same 1 month time frame, a lot of liquidations at 25,800 and 26,400, but I'm not going to continue looking into higher time frame for that reason. Now if we go to the liquidation levels, we can see that there are $80 billion worth of long liquidations. So that means that longs right now at risk. You can even see here total short liquidations 178, total long liquidations 600. So that basically is telling you that for every short position there are 4 long positions open, pretty much. Okay, so that is telling you that long positions are at risk. Now if you check the liquidations, this is quite chaotic because you can see a lot of bubbles here, but this is what I mean. This is the imbalance that the week leaves behind. Okay, you can see a lot of liquidations all the way to 31K. That's insane. But most important for me are these zones here. Okay, even up to $500 million, okay, worth of liquidation. So you got here 29,900, you got 29,600 and 29,000. So to the upside, those are be the main zones for me. Okay, for now, as I said, I'm not looking for long positions. I'm favoring shorts in the very short term because I'm expecting a retrace towards the 1 hour 50 MA. Then we want to see how the daily candle closes. If it closes above the range highs, then you know we have then an argument to say that you know it's likely that price targets these liquidations to the upside. And then to the downside, you got a lot of liquidations at 27,400 and 26,800. Okay, so that will be pretty much it. Overall, this chart is only telling you that longs are at risk, and if you are in long, don't forget to take profits, because it's likely that the price starts to retrace a bit towards the 1 hour 50 MA. Okay, that's what I'm seeing for today. Again, it's not financial advice. We'll see tomorrow if this plays out or not. The chart at the moment the chart is insane. I mean, you've seen yesterday you got an Asian pump on this false move, then you got the ETF fake news. It's just insane. Also last week there was a lot of things going on in the chart, so it's quite unpredictable at the moment. But I mean, by taking all these confluences, that's my main idea. Okay, a retrace towards the 1 hour 50 MA. So that's pretty much everything, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.